Hello guys, I will update to you again. Today's video I will tell you what is the name of these instruments and set. This is hysterectomy set including 2 sponge holder, 3 needle holder, medium and long, 6 pieces of straight caulker. Must be inspect properly the serration. 6 pieces of curved caulker, 2 pieces of BP handle number 4 and number 7, 1 piece of Mayoma screw, spiral type, 3 pieces of scissor, suture scissor and machine boom scissor, 5 pieces of thumb forceps, tooth and non-tooth, 1 Yanker suction, 2 pieces of instrument pen, 6 pieces of dowel clips, 1 pair of Richardson retractor or Morris retractor, 1 Doyen retractor, 6 pieces of artery straight, 2 pieces of babcock, 6 pieces of artery curve, 6 pieces of Alice forceps long straight, 4 pieces of Alice medium straight. Again, we need to inspect properly the tip. Also this one. And 2 bowls and 1 kidney tray. Okay guys, this is the content of hysterectomy set. Thank you very much and see you on the next video. God bless all.